Hey guys, David Ronson here. Wanted to show you something that came up in tech support last week or the week before. Um, Something that kind of stumbled across on accident. I think it offers some unique possibilities. So I'd like to throw it out there to see what you guys think. Um, Assemblies in Revit essentially is going to be a spool. Uh, when you hover over and click on an assembly, you'll see how all the parts are linked together. Okay. Um, you can get to the individual parts by hovering over it and hitting tab. Okay. I think most of us know that. When we're doing annotation through normal Revit annotation, you'll see I'm able to do like a spool tag, but if I wanted to tag that individual element, I have to hit tab to get deeper into it, to get past the assembly and then pick on the part itself. So I want to continue tagging, and I have to do it every time I want to tag something else. All right. Um, so having the parts all grouped together offers some really nice flexibility, but it also can be a little bit restricting sometimes on other types of workflows. Kind of another way around this is going to involve a centralized model and work sets. Okay, so you're really not going to be able to do this unless you're using work sets. What I've done down here is I've created a separate work set, one for uh, assemblies, and then a separate one for pipework. Here, these are just my the default work sets that come when you create a centralized model. So what I want to do is I'm going to put the assemblies on this work set, but the pipe work on a separate work set. So when I go back here, I click on the assembly and you'll see what work set it's assigned to. Okay. But I'm going to tab into that and pick on the pipe inside the assembly, and you'll see that it's assigned to a different work set. Okay. So now what we can do is we can come into the work set and disable this from view. So visibility in all views, I'm going to uncheck that. Click OK. So it's going to go turn off all the assemblies. Okay. So visibly, it doesn't look like anything has changed. But now when I hover over a piece of pipe, you'll see that I'm not getting the assembly. I'm getting the individual components of the assembly. Okay. So that means when I do my tagging, okay, I can more quickly get to those parts without having to hit tab every time to do my annotation. All right. So offers some unique possibilities there in terms of isolating elements down by just having the assemblies themselves on their own work set so they can be turned on or off as needed. All right, that's a trick for today. Let me know what you think. Thanks.